guys, it is a snow day in North Carolina, which is super rare. So 2 years ago I had the GTR out in the snow and I totally got stuck with my bald summer tires. This time around I still have summer tires, but they are pretty good condition. So we're gonna see if I can actually make it. We're gonna do a little test in the neighborhood, see if I don't get stuck. And if I can make it there, I'll hit some streets and try to find a big parking lot. If not, we'll get the Lexus out since we got all seasons. So let's go ahead and fire it up and see if I can drive the GTR in the snow. All right, I'm like so excited because I love driving in the snow, but we just never can do it. But hopefully the all-wheel drive compensates for the summer tires. But we'll see. We have the dip coming up in just a second. The road is pretty packed, so I should be able to get some decent traction. If I can just make it down this hill, if you look forward now, hopefully the camera can see that. It goes downhill and then uphill to the intersection. All right, I'm on the flat. I made it. I made it onto the main road, and that was a nice little drift. So we're on flat road. Now I just gotta make it to the school, and I think we can do some donuts in the GTR and have some fun. I got the tow hook in and some straps just in case. But we are making it. I think we can do it. So I made it to my destination. We got a big empty parking lot, and we'll have a little bit of fun. See how many donuts we can do and just kind of have a little bit of fun in the GTR now. I'm just sliding sideways, that's crazy. Alright, I think we'll put the camera on the outside. You want to see me doing some donuts now? Pretty cool. That was pretty cool being in the GTR. Doing some donuts. It definitely does a pretty good job. The all-wheel drive, not doing too bad with these summer tires and everything. All right, for some reason Lauren now is gonna take the keys to the GTR. This is a horrible idea. Get in there. Oh my gosh. It's not as controllable as your car with the all seasons though. That's how you do it? I don't know how to do that. Oh my gosh, what a keeper. Nice. What'd you think?
Hey, that was a better donut than yours.
Oh yeah? Guys, she's talking smack. Woo. She's talking smack on me, thinking she can do better donuts than me. It sounded so good from the outside. Woo. All right, I've totally redeemed myself from 2 years ago. Took this out with the bald tires and it didn't work at all. All right, back to normal road. All right, we'll tone it down, exhaust back off. Oh, the all-wheel drive in this thing, it's so impressive. And so far so good with the summer tires on it. All right, so I've made it back to the house. First time with the GTR actually in the snow. Super impressive with the all-wheel drive. Did not even have an issue with summer tires. I will say we are caked with snow. Like we are almost touching the caliper. I noticed my brakes were starting to not work as well. My front stayed nice and clear. As you can see, we got a lot of buildup behind the front tire, but the rear, we are caked with the actual tire. You can see it all. Like the rubber's actually nice and clear, but we're caked there, and the rim itself is so caked in snow. So I don't think I'm gonna take it out anymore today. I definitely wanna let it melt and stuff like that, but we are so caked on the back with all the donuts going sideways and the snow going in it. But car did great. GTR never ceases to amaze me. Such a capable car, and I did not even have to tow it home. So I'm super excited. No getting stuck this time in the GTR, and it sounded so good ripping the donuts. But we're gonna put this back inside and then get the Lexus out. I don't know if that was a better idea or not. I have a clean car at least. So in the Lexus now, down here we have some drive modes. We have a snow icon, traction control, and we can even do sport mode. So this should be a pretty good car, and you've been in the snow a million times with it, obviously. But we'll leave snow on, sport, and we'll have some fun in the Lexus. We have manual mode too. And with all season tires, this should hook way better. But I'm so impressed with the GTR. I had such a good time. And now, wow, already this isn't even spinning. So it's gonna take a minute to try to get this to drift. So at the first main road, we'll see if we can drift a little bit. Wow, your traction control keeps kicking on. Let me turn snow off. Okay, there we go. So with this car with snow mode on, it really does work with traction to help keep you have traction. So I have traction control off and snow mode off. That way I can actually play with it. Wow, this thing hooks. I'm literally like, I'm flooring it, turning the wheels, nothing's happening. Man, it's too good in the snow. That was like a little drift. There we go. All right, that's it for the Lexus. That's it. All right, so we are now in the Tacoma. We got traction control off.
What's up, guys?
And we're gonna see how well the Tacoma does. You've obviously been in the snow a few times with this truck.
Oh yeah, this is fun. We gotta get going a little bit faster if we can. It's pretty bumpy.
Yeah, I think we're not the only people that have been here. Tacoma definitely has no issues with traction with the massive off-road tires. Ooh, man, Tacoma does really well. That was fun.
That was a good one.
That was a really good one.
Maybe I should go a little faster.
All right, just don't hit me.
Go twice as fast.
That was awesome.
I'm dizzy. Gone through a quarter tank of gas in like 40 miles today. Because of this right here.
I'm glad I filled up the GTR.
Alright.
That good?
That's good.
Alright guys. I think that is then gonna wrap it up. Tacoma does so well in the snow. Obviously, you know, we got the off-road tires and everything. No
Always
trouble.
a blast.
No trouble there. GTR and Summer tires.
Yeah.
Actually did pretty well.
So I have the same tires. I'm sure my car would probably.
Yeah.
It's a manual too, so.
I vote he should get it out. We'll see. We'll see. Hopefully. But anyway, quick fun video in the snow. We had to do it. It never snows. It maybe snows every other year, and we actually had enough to have some fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, having fun in the GTR. No drifting in the Lexus. It's too good of a traction.
Yeah.
Tacoma was pretty awesome as well. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.